Hello friends, welcome back. How you guys doing today? In today's video, I will be trimming my hair. This is what my hair looked like after I trim it. It looked healthy and I really like it. I choose to skip flat iron this time. I went for no heat stretch. The night before I thread my hair to 4 part. I have to say that my hair is really growing. I am really impressed by it. I am learning more about my hair every day. In order to go to sleep comfortably and without poking my husband's eye out, I simply packed my hair to the back and tied my head with scarf. Take down and trim in the next day. I use wide tooth comb and sharp hair scissors. Tip: only use your hair scissors to cut your hair to avoid dullness, which can cause split ends when used. Takedown was pretty easy for me. The stretch is pretty good, easy to comb through, and it's pretty soft. The secret to this is make sure you detangle and make sure your hair is free of clumps. The ends of my hair are thinned out, not much of split ends or not, but I still need the trim. I trimmed about 1.5 inches off my hair. Even though I am looking forward to growing my hair, I do understand the need for trimming. This is really important because it allows your hair to have a better growth and it allows your hair to be healthy, so you will not be having continuous split ends, which can cause more damage to your hair. I did have a video on how I thread my hair, and that was like 2 years ago. On that video, I did thread my hair when it was wet. This time around, I did not thread it when it was wet. It was actually like almost dry. I got better results this way. If you have not subscribed to my channel, do not forget to subscribe so you can follow my journey. Please let me know if you have any question. Leave them below on the comment section and I will surely get back to you. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. I love you guys so much. Bye bye. Mwah. XOXO. Bye.